Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's look has to be one of my favorites. It is going to be featuring Midnight Wasabi from Rihanna's new Mattemoiselle lipstick line. It is the green one that everybody's been talking about, so yes, we're about to see if it's going to be popping on dark skin. Oh my gosh, this has to be one of my favorite looks. So let's get into it. I'm just doing the basics, everything that I normally do starting off, which is priming my face and shaping my eyebrows and filling them in. I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow pomade for my eyebrows, and for my primer I did use the Fenty Beauty primer. As you guys already know, I'm obsessed with Fenty Beauty, Fenty everything. I pretty much have everything in her collection, or at least one of everything in her collection. And you guys already know, for Christmas I had a ton of money in Sephora gift cards and spent it all the next day. So yeah, and most of it was on Fenty. They need to just sponsor me already, because I'm just in love with their line. So anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna go in and fill in my eyebrows, and then right after I'm gonna clean them up with some concealer. So while I'm doing my eyebrows, let me talk a little bit about this wig. It is from Echelon, which is my hair company. All that information will be below, my website and my email, my company email. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. This is a deep wave bob wig. I got the frontal a little bit longer than the bundles because I wanted it to be an asymmetrical bob. So I like the way it came out. But yeah, I make the wigs, I color wigs. This one didn't need to be colored, but you know, I do custom coloring. So shop with your girl. Like I said, information will be below. So here I'm just priming my eyelids with my eyeshadow primer, Urban Decay. And I'm just going in the crease. I know what shade it is. I believe it's Rocker. No, it's not Rocker, but it might be Rocker. I'm not sure, but I'll have the color below. It is from my go-to palette, Tartlette in Bloom. Right, so I'm just gonna go in on my lid with the color that I just showed you guys. I'll have the name below, as usual. Now we're just gonna go in and do that wing liner. I use just any cream eyeliner. It's good if you're good with liquid liners. Whatever works for you. I use e.l.f.'s cream liner in black. It's really basic, really cheap. It can't be more than $4. I got it from Walmart, and it's lasted me a really long time. So I've been using the same one for, I want to say, probably about 2 years, if not a year and a half. So it's definitely a good buy, and it's really creamy. I love the texture. It's beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. It's in 440, as you guys know. This foundation is really liquidy, and I'm sure I've said that so many times in my other videos. So with liquidy foundation, I would not use a beauty blender, because the beauty blender will just soak up all your product, and you're not going to get as many uses out of your purchase as you would if you were to use a brush. Alright, so in my other video, I did talk about how, I don't know if it was in my other video or not, but I have been questioning the undertone of the Fenty matchstick that I use, the suede one. It's kind of ashy on me, so I went back to using what I used to use, which was the Sephora Bright Futures concealer. It's the same concealer I used to clean up my eyebrows. They did change the formula. It's more liquidy than it used to be, so I was a little bit hesitant, but I have to try it out. You know, you'll never know if you don't try and see. Alright, so I'm just going to set that with the Fenty Beauty black powder. Like I always do, I concentrate most of it under my eye, do a medium amount on my other highlighted areas, and do a light amount on my non-highlighted areas, which would be my contour areas. I didn't contour in this video, so yeah. I'm just going in right now with a shimmer eyeliner. It was a mini eyeliner, Sephora doesn't make it anymore. And now I'm highlighting my cheekbones. The highlight that I used this day, I want to say, was still Sinamon, because I did buy Yacht Life very around this time that I made this video. Well, I want to say that I was still using Sinamon for this look. Now I'm going in with the lashes, my favorite lashes. I did buy some of my favorite lashes. It's Amour. The Sephora brand. Love these. The other ones that I had, my sister got them for my birthday, which was back in August, and I was trying to take the glue off of them, and I ended up ripping the band. So definitely, needless to say, had to get some more for Christmas. Love these. Favorite lashes of all time. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in and line my lips with Coffee. I want to say that's actually an eyeliner, but it's from MAC. If you got the Midnight Wasabi lipstick from Rihanna, you know that it's pretty bright. When I tried it on the store, it was really bright, and the Sephora girl was trying to tell me, oh, it looks really cute. No, girl, no, it was too much. It was looking, no. So what I did was I used a darker liner and put the green on top of it, and it came out this really pretty camo color. It's so beautiful. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh, look at it, look at it. Anyway, so now I'm about to go in and put a little bit of Trophy Wife on top of my highlight that I already did, and I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and normally I do my Cupid's bow, but I guess I didn't do that today. Just fix the wig out, fluff it up, get the part right, because that scarf will flatten everything. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. What other lip colors, do you guys want to see me try out on dark skin girls? I know there's not that many of us, but hey, I'm open to suggestions. Like I said, my hair information will also be below. Shop with your girl, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.